Hello, I'm Poonam BCom graduate. I'm currently working with Jurassic Park and as a digital marketing executive. The time I have come to know about this course, I have digital marketing. I always wanted to learn it. So this course, which is taught by Upendra Rana sir, was recommended to me by a friend of mine. So I found the curriculum of this course very informative. So I proceeded further, and I got to learn many things. The assignments done in the class were really good. Because of this course, I was able to understand digital marketing and its various aspects such as SMO, SEO, then ORM, website maintenance, and all this. So I had a very good experience. Even the teaching done by Upendra sir is fabulous. He teaches you very well. He has a tremendous knowledge on digital marketing, and he gives you a lot of techniques how to manage, how to handle these platforms, how to handle the digital marketing platforms. So, and also he gives you a chance to he just not gives you a theoretical aspect, but also gives you a practical exposure. So he gives you a chance to work on live projects, whether it be blogging site, Facebook ads, and Google ads, etc. So due to this training, I was able to learn many things. I was able to understand the current scenario of the market, and he gives you many techniques, many breakthroughs, how you can proceed further, how to manage how to handle the problems if any created or something like that. So it was very enlightening course, and I'm able to handle many digital marketing platform after taking the teaching part from him. So from my side, this course is definitely a thumbs up, and I will definitely recommend you to take up this course, take up Upendra Rana sir and his institution to learn digital marketing. So do join him to make your success story, and idea support given by him, the way he teaches will definitely lead you to a great career. And it was a privilege for me to be your student. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.